Hey guys, it's Denise, and today we're going to be doing a very beautiful and simple spring decor idea for you guys. So I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and let's get to it. So as you can see here, I got some stuff from the dollar store and from Hobby Lobby, and if you can just find stuff around your house if you have lots of plants, but like me, I didn't have lots of plants laying down around my house, so I had to go buy. And so the type of plants I got were the garlands, the flower garland, and a few picks that were really pretty and nice to me. Of course, you can choose any kind, but I decided these because I thought they would look the best and suit and match my home the best. And I really liked this at the end. It turned out really beautiful and nice. So as you can see here, I cut the picks and a little bit of the garland with scissors that are for cutting hard stuff like that, and I cut them in like 3 pieces so they can be several of them. And as you can see, I wrapped around the garland, a little bit of the garland inside the jar I'm using, and it looks very pretty and full. And then I used some of the picks I had, and I put them in there, and it looks really nice, really pretty. And so after that, I was like, oh my gosh, I need a runner because I like runners a lot. And so I grabbed some runners that I would think are nice. One of them is gray and has, Paris on it and a few signatures and all. And I really think it's really pretty. And I also grabbed another one that was with flowers, and it's turquoise and it's very pretty, and I really like them. So I hope you guys like this too. And you guys, it's very, very simple. So and don't forget, guys, to put in the comments down below which runner do you like better for the table, the Paris one or the flower one. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to turn on those notification bells, and hope you like this video. Bye!